looking back on my career, that's my first game winner. So this one's gonna always hold special in my heart. Oh man, I feel great for myself and for Saleh Basket and my team. I mean, we got down 10 points in the fourth quarter with 5 minutes, and we came together and made a comeback and won the game in the end. I mean, we came out focused, came out playing hard, and we got a lead going first start of the game. Then we kind of lost our way on offense. Wasn't getting good shots, turning the ball over. So we came together and so we're gonna throw the ball down low in the post to Trevon and Marcus so they could get us going, and they got us going and brought us back in the game and put myself in a position to make that shot in the end. This is a great team, great guys on the team, great coaching staff, and we all just stick together and we fight together. So I don't think there's nothing that can break us. It's tough on Aubrey right now, losing his brother. He was very close to his brother, so we wanted to come out and we wanted to get a win for Aubrey. And after the game, he came up to me and said thank you, and that meant a lot to him. He needed that going home. So I was lucky enough to hit that for him and praying for him and his family.